Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Smarthome. Today, we've got a quick and helpful tutorial for those of you who might be experiencing issues with your Google Nest and are looking to give it a fresh start. That's right, we'll be diving into the step-by-step process of how to reset your Google Nest. Segment 1, Reasons to Reset. Before we jump into the reset process, let's quickly go over some reasons why you might want to reset your Google Nest. It could be sluggish performance, connectivity issues, or perhaps you're preparing to sell or give away your device. Whatever the reason, resetting can often resolve many problems and give your Nest a clean slate. Segment 2, Types of Google Nest Resets. Now, there are two types of resets you can perform on your Google Nest, a soft reset and a factory reset. A soft reset is more of a quick reboot, handy for minor issues, while a factory reset erases all your settings and returns the device to its default state. Make sure to choose the appropriate method based on your situation. Segment 3, Soft Reset. Let's start with the soft reset. To do this, simply locate the power cord on your Google Nest device. Unplug it, wait for about 10 seconds, and then plug it back in. Give it a moment to restart, and you should be good to go. This method is perfect for fixing minor glitches without losing your personalized settings. Segment 4, Factory Reset. Now, if you're dealing with more persistent issues or you want to start fresh, you might need to perform a factory reset. The process may vary slightly depending on the specific Nest device you have, but generally, you'll find the option in the Settings menu. Navigate to Settings, Device, and look for Reset. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm and initiate the factory reset. Segment 5, Post-Reset Setup. Once the reset is complete, it's time to set up your Google Nest again. Connect it to your Wi-Fi, sign in with your Google account, and customize your settings just the way you like them. Don't forget to update your device firmware to ensure you're running the latest software. Conclusion, and there you have it, folks, a comprehensive guide on how to reset your Google Nest. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Smarthome for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy resetting.